After a slow period, it's steady time as the global smartphone shipments finally bounce back in 2025, rising 2% year-on-year as consumers return to upgrading their devices. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. As the economic conditions got better and market demand got stronger, the industry is blooming again, and Apple's the front runner. According to a new report from Counterpoint Research, Apple topped the global smartphone rankings with 20% market share, the largest among the world's top 5 brands. Perhaps it was all due to massive iPhone 17 series sales and growing demand across mid-size markets. Counterpoint analyst Varun Mishra said Apple's wide product range and expanding global reach helped it stay ahead throughout the year, even when the competition was hard. From premium flagships to more affordable models, Apple managed to capture buyers at every level. Just behind Apple, there was Samsung sitting at second place with a 19% market share. While its growth was more modest, the South Korean giant still saw shipments surge in as its Galaxy lineup demand got higher. Xiaomi held on to third place with a 13% share, continuing to benefit from strong sales in price-sensitive markets where affordability is the main ingredient to shine. The report also revealed that many smartphone makers rushed shipments earlier in the year to limit potential tariffs. However, this strategy lost impact as 2025 progressed, leaving shipment volumes largely stable in the second half. But it wasn't just about shipping. Counterpoint Research Director Tarun Pathak warned that ongoing chip shortages and rising component costs could slow this growth down. As many makers are putting AI data centers above smartphones, the industry may face fresh pressure this year. For now, it's clear that smartphones are bouncing back, and Apple's leading the charge. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. 10 best mobiles you can buy in 2024 are top picks for July. If you're looking for the best mobiles in 2024, many good options literally lie at your fingertips. Backed by its vivid 6.8-inch AMOLED display and solid battery life with a 5000 mAh capacity, the AI features on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra make it the best. The iPhone 15 Pro Max gives it tough competition, featuring a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology and a powerful Apple A17 Pro chip. The Google Pixel 8a provides a well-lit and smooth 120Hz OLED display, not forgetting 7 years worthwhile of OS updates, being jam-packed with Android AI features. On its part, the Pixel 8 Pro speaks of good cameras, loads of helpful AI features, a 5050 mAh battery status, and LTPO display. The OnePlus Open touts its most lightweight and thin foldable design, intuitive multitasking features, along with 65-watt fast charging. The Motorola Razr Plus wins points for its large cover screen, incredibly compact design, and dust-resistant foldable feature. The Asus Zenfone 10 is the best compact phone, while the OnePlus 12 is equipped with the best fast charging capabilities. Each of these top picks offers unique strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs. Whether you're a fanatic gamer or a photography enthusiast, or one of those business persons on the go, there's the ideal smartphone to suit whatever evokes your fancy on this list. Keep watching through our all-encompassing recommendations to know yours among the best mobiles you can buy in July 2024. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, priced at $1,677. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, priced at $1,546. Sony Xperia 1V, priced at $1,375. OnePlus 12, priced at $838. Google Pixel 7a, priced at $443. With a second variant priced at $1,186. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, priced at $1,438. The Asus Zenfone 10, priced at just $850. The Nothing Phone 2, priced at $437. The Motorola Moto G82, priced at $257. These are our top list of best mobiles you can buy in 2024 from Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, and more. Shopping for a new phone in 2024 presents a variety of choices with exceptional features. Whether you're in the market for a high-performance all-rounder or a budget-friendly professional-grade device, there's an array of smartphones catering to different preferences. Leading the pack is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, acclaimed for its stunningly vibrant 6.8-inch AMOLED display, solid battery life backed by a 5,000 mAh capacity, and an impressive suite of AI features. It's a strong contender for many due to its versatile appeal. For gaming enthusiasts, the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't disappoint, boasting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, enhanced with generative AI capabilities. But the iPhone 15 Pro Max gives it tough competition. It is the latest and most advanced smartphone from Apple. It has a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with promotion technology, which adapts the refresh rate up to 120 Hz for smooth and responsive performance. The display also supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, and always-on features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the Apple A17 Pro chip, which is a 3nm processor with a 6-core CPU, a 6-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The chip delivers fast and efficient performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI applications. Best smartphones to buy in 2024. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra or iPhone 15 Pro Max aren't your only premium choices. For more top-tier smartphone recommendations that could be your perfect match in 2024, explore our comprehensive list. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max for $1,599. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for $1,499.99. Sony Xperia 1 Wii for $899. OnePlus 12 for $599.99. Google Pixel 7a $499. Google Pixel 8 Pro $999.99. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra $904. Asus ZenFone 10 $599.99. Nothing Phone 2 $619.99. and Motorola Moto G8 2 $179.99. Mark your calendars because September 9th is shaping up to be a big day in tech. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. Apple's expected to unveil its next-gen flagship at the accurately named Awe-dropping event, and leading the charge is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, a device that could raise the bar for smartphones so high. The buzz? All for the massive upgrades it's gonna have. Firstly, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack Apple's beastly new A19 Pro chip, promising a major leap in performance. Think lightning-fast gaming, ultra-smooth multitasking, and smarter AI integration. This chip could turn your phone into a pocket-sized powerhouse. But the real scene stealer might be the camera. Whispers point to an upgraded system featuring a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 8x zoom and a selfie camera, jumping from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel. Whether you're a casual snapper or a full-blown content creator, this phone could be your new best friend. And Apple's not stopping there. The design's reportedly getting a bold refresh, a larger camera module, sleek body lines, and new orange and dark blue color options that are already turning heads online. As for the price, the 256GB version is expected to start at $1,249, keeping it at Apple's premium league. But with specs like these, fans may find it worth every cent. If even half of these rumors are true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max won't just be a phone, it'll be a statement with a blazing A19 Pro chip, major camera upgrades, bold new colors, and a premium design. This could be Apple's most impressive phone yet. Are you excited for the Apple's upcoming event? Then let us know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.